Hi, welcome to a presentation on OpenLM. Now we'll see how to migrate the OpenLM server from one server to another. All we'll need to do is simply install the OpenLM core on the second server and connect it to the existing OpenLM database. And of course, that will need to uninstall the OpenLM server which was on the first server itself. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, we'll need to download the OpenLM server from the OpenLM website. Simply go to openlm.com, go to the download section, and click here, download it for free. Once it's downloaded, simply put it on the server we want to install OpenLM and click Start. Agree, next, and it will install. Ask for permissions once or twice. Now once it's done, we simply select plan we want. So we'll start evaluation, and you can fill in your company details and get the license 30-day trial if the machine is connected to the internet. Or if you have a license file that you got from the sales team of OpenLM, you can simply click here, choose file, and that's it. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to close it. Once you have the files, you will also close the installer, and you'll simply search for database configuration, OpenLM database configuration. Click that, and now we see that it's connected to the default OpenLM database. But you probably have already a database in place. May it be an SQL server, MySQL, or maybe another Firebird. If it's an SQL server, then you'll simply need to fill in the server and instance name, user ID, password, and select the database name. You can also log in using Windows authentication or MySQL with all the same credentials. For Firebird databases, you'll need to get the Firebird database, which is called OpenLMDB.ftb, from this location on the first server, which holds OpenLM server. So you'll go to Program Files 86, OpenLM, OpenLM server, DB, and you'll find it in there. All you'll need to do is get that file and place it on the second server in the same folder. So you'll need to go to C drive, Program Files 86. We'll go to OpenLM, OpenLM server, DB, and just replace this file here if we're talking about a Firebird database. And that's it. Click Apply. Make sure to stop the OpenLM server service before changing the database.